Welcome to Late Night Stocks. At the market close last week, we had a peak fear and uncertainty due to inflation, recession, and Russian invasion. We are already in the middle of April, past the first quarter, and when we check the year-to-date performances of the most stocks, they are performing red. On the other hand, we had a huge commodity rally in the past quarter, and commodity-related stocks have performed really well so far. One of them is Gold Mining Incorporation, ticker symbol GLDG, is up 25% year to date. After the Russian invasion, when gold made its peak at $2,070, Gold Mining Inc. made 40%. Let's compare this performance with mega cap stocks. Here you see the top 10 holdings of Nasdaq 100. I noted here their year-to-date performances. Apple stock is only down 3%, but when we look at the performances of companies like Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Google, they are down more than 10, even 15%. Costco stock is the only one which is up 10% year to date. That is due to inflation. When there's an inflation in food prices, then people tend to go more to the discount stores like Costco. In this video, first we will check the hot topics related to gold prices and analyze the gold price, and then we will have a look at the latest news from Gold Mining Inc. and analyze the stock price. At the end of the video, I will give you a short market update. Gold rises following US inflation data. Gold rose on Tuesday as consumer prices for March hit their highest levels since 1981, a sign to some investors that inflation could be peaking. We all know that main driver for inflation is the energy prices. The more crude oil prices go higher, then we have higher costs in the transportation and production. After Russian invasion, we have seen a huge rally in commodity prices, and crude oil saw its peak at $124. Then it fell back under $100. If we check the previous week, we started under $100 and we have reached $106, a 10% rally in 1 week. If we have higher price of crude oil over the months, then that brings a stagflation risk. On the one hand, if we have higher energy prices, this means it will be more costly to mine the gold. The higher costs we have in gold mining, the higher gold prices we have. On the other hand, the raging global energy crisis and ever more hawkish central banks bring into 70s style stagflation. It is a long shot for now, but there is anxiety building among money managers. If we have a market scenario out of control inflation and low growth, this can bring eventually stagflation, especially in Europe. Here you see the stagflation expectations over the years. In August 2008, we had more than 80% expectation, and if we check the current levels, stagflation expectations highest since then. In summary, stagflation is the combination of high inflation and low employment. This is very unlikely in the United States, but Europe can suffer from that. And with this fear and uncertainty, gold can be the safest option. Gold rises also when there is a conflict between countries. Russian invasion continues, and recently Russia's fleet flagship has been destroyed. I think this tension will not be ending soon, so this can keep the gold prices high. On the other hand, we have another conflict between United States and China regarding Taiwan. China's military sent bombers and fighter planes to the East China Sea and the area around Taiwan on Friday. At the same time, Nancy Pelosi wanted to visit Taiwan, but China released an aggressive announcement. If China keeps building up its army in this region and try to invade Taiwan, this will definitely keep the gold prices higher. If you look at the gold prices, when I made the first GLDG stock video, gold prices was $1,800, $1,850. After that we had a Russian invasion and gold made its peak at $2,080. Although we have rate hikes and balance sheet reduction from Fed, gold keep its bullish trend. Looks like next target is $2,080. If we go there, gold mining companies can perform even more. If you compare the performance of gold and GLDG stock during this rally, while gold is making 70% up, GLDG stock made 94%. So investing in gold mining companies other than gold can bring more gains for investors. Due to stagflation fears, analysts are giving 2,200 end of the year target for gold price. And due to this outlook, we can see that gold ETF holdings also near all-time highs. Previously, when we had the first rate hike in 2015, gold miners ETF made a 250% gain. Previously, we made a peak in May 2021, and now we made a higher high. That's why now we will target the next peak, $45, which means 10 to 12% upside potential. And if this ETF goes up, then this brings the GLDG stock higher. not investment advice of course. So far we have checked the hot topics related to gold and we analyzed gold prices and gold miners ETF. Now let's check the latest news from GLDG Stock and analyze the stock price. Gold Mining Inc. ticker symbol GLDG is now at $1.70 and $257 million market cap. When we look at the year-to-date performance, they are up 25% and since the beginning of the year they are making higher lows and higher highs. They have a diverse portfolio of projects throughout Americas. They have gold, silver and copper mines in United States, Canada and in different countries of South America. Their commodity exposure is around 81% of gold, 18% of copper and 1% of silver. Recently we had an advancement in Lamina project. In January this year, Gold Mining announced positive preliminary economic assessment for Lamina project. And few days ago they commenced exploration drilling on its Lamina project Colombia. This project would produce over 1 million gold ounces over 10 years. This means a production averaging 100,000 gold ounces per year, in other words around $2 million. When they made this feasibility analysis, gold prices was 1,600, now gold is close to 2,000, so they can make a huge gain. They have already existing infrastructure, office, accommodation and core storage area in Lamina, Colombia. In addition to that, few days ago they also announced that the company acquired 250,000 GROY shares at an average price of $4.23. This means Gold Mining Company now holds 15.1% of outstanding GROY shares. Gold Royalty Corporation, ticker symbol GROY, is now at $560 million market cap. If we calculate 15% of this market cap, this makes $85 million. So if you look at the big picture, they have already enterprise value from the mines they have. In addition to that, they have gold royalty ownership and some cash. So if you sum these numbers up and check their market cap, they look undervalued at the moment. Before we talk about the stock price, I want to underline this experienced leadership team. If you look at these descriptions of CEO, CFO and Vice President, they have more than 25, even 30 years of experience. Thanks to this experience, they bought gold mines when gold prices were low. Now they started to take advantage of them. To bring more knowledge and value to company, they also work with a lot of advisors in different parts of the world. With this experienced management and bullish outlook on gold prices, GLDG stock has an upside potential. Let's analyze the stock price together. Let's check first quickly the performance of GLDG stock and gold during the Fed tapering and rate hikes period. In 2013, when Fed started tapering, gold made 12% move while GLDG stock made a 164% rally. If we move forward, Fed started the rate hikes at the end of 2015 and during this period, gold made 23% move while GLDG stock more than 6x. Now we are in this period of Fed tapering and rate hikes and GLDG stock already made 2x, but there's a still upside potential. We had a resistance at $1.9. If we break these levels, then we may go up to $2.8, even $3. When we look at analyst ratings, Roth Capital gave $3.3 price target. On the other hand, the other analyst firm gave $6. As I showed you in the beginning of the video, due to recession and inflation fears, mega-cap companies like Apple, Microsoft, Tesla and Amazon perform really bad in this year. On the other hand, commodity and commodity-related stocks perform really well and looks like they will keep performing this way. What do you think about GLDG stock? Would you buy it? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Before we close the video, I want to give you a quick update related to Nasdaq and tech companies. After 15th of March Fed's meeting, we had a huge 2 weeks rally until 15,200. And at that time I made a short and said, is this the end of a tech rally? And since then we are in this bearish trend and trying to consolidate around here. We closed the market at a very critical level. If we go below there, then there will be more pain in the market. On the other hand, this may be the dip because we have seen the previous lows in Nvidia, Microsoft and Google. If you don't go below these levels, then this can be the start of a rally until the Fed's meeting in May. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the later videos.